History of Vasai Fort. Friends, today we will talk about Vasai Fort. Friends, the history of this fort is quite curious. It is a run fort in the city of Vasai in the Konkan division of Maharashtra, India. This structure was formerly known as the Fort of St. Sebastian in the Indo-Portuguese era. This fort is a monument of national importance and is protected by the Archaeological Survey of India. It is a witness to the historical events of India. This fort and the city can be reached through Vasai railway station. Naigaon railway station is located in the direction of Western Railway line and Virar railway station. This fort is one of the most popular locations for Bollywood films and songs. It is a great place for shooting Kam Waqt Ishq, Poster Lagwa Do of Luka Chipi, Shah Rukh Khan songs and shooting have been done here. Apart from this, Khamoshi the musical and Ram Gopal Verma's Aag are included. This fort has been one of the main shooting locations of the British band Coldplay's international hit song Hymn of the Weekend. The fort has been featured in many films and songs and has received immense love from the audience. This fort is the main tourist attraction in this area. The view of Vasai Creek and Bhayandar Creek can be seen from the ramparts. There are many watchtowers in this fort. Safe stairs have been built to reach them and to see them closely. The building of the fort's nadar is in ruins, but still it is very attractive due to the structure of the walls here. Some of them are decorated with carved stones. Some have been damaged beyond recognition. Others will have sharp chisel marks. The fort's nadar has three chapels which look like churches built in the 17th century. The nature here is quite charming. Beautiful creatures of nature can be seen here. Butterflies and birds fill the air with their pleasant sight and sweet sounds. In the late 16th century, the Portuguese built a new fort enclosing an entire city within the fort walls. The fort consisted of 10 bastions. During the Portuguese period, it was known for the sophistication of its buildings, places, wealth, splendor and beauty of its churches. The fort of Basin, now in ruins, was the administrative center and court of the northern province and was subordinate only to Velva Goa in the south. The northern province comprised an area that extended from 100 km along the coast between Daman and Chol and in some places extended up to 30 to 35 km inland. It has the most productive Indian region under Portuguese rule. This was the eastern wing of the Portuguese Empire. The fort had 19 cannons, of which 27 were bronze and 70 mortars. Of these, 7 mortars were made of bronze. The fort was defended by 21 gunboats, each carrying 60 to 80 guns. Later, it was the subject of many battles and was also the subject of battles for the Portuguese and the East India Company and was weakened and destroyed in the fighting. In the 18th century, the Maratha Empire led by Chimaji Appa, brother of Peshwa Baji Rao, captured the Basin fort and it fell after the Battle of Vasai in 1739. In 1774, the fort was captured by the Nagarajas and returned to the Marathas under the Treaty of Salwai in 1738. In 1880, the British attacked the again captured the region from the Marathas. The fort also played a strategic role in the First Anglo-Maratha War. The Treaty of Vasai was signed in 1802. It is seen as a decisive step in the disintegration of the Maharashtra Empire. It was an agreement signed on 31 December 1802 between the British East India Company and the Maratha Peshwa Baji Rao II of Pune after the Battle of Pune.